Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Microsoft To Do with Notion so your tasks can automatically sync between both platforms. This setup is perfect for anyone who wants a smoother productivity workflow without constantly copying and pasting tasks manually. By connecting these two apps together, you can manage your tasks in Microsoft To Do while automatically organizing everything inside your Notion workspace. The best part is that you don't need any coding experience to set this up. We'll use an automation tool that handles the connection for us in just a few simple steps. To begin, open your browser and head over to Zapier. Zapier is an automation platform that allows different apps to communicate with each other even if they don't have built-in integrations. If you've never used Zapier before, don't worry. The platform is beginner-friendly and guides you through the entire setup process step by step. Once you're signed in to Zapier, go to your dashboard and look for the Create button. Click on it and choose the option to create a new Zap. In Zapier, automations are called Zaps, and this is where you'll define how Microsoft To Do and Notion should work together. Inside the Zap editor, look for the App Connection search bar. Type something like Microsoft To Do to Notion, and Zapier will usually suggest pre-built automation templates that are already designed for this workflow. Using a pre-built template makes the process much faster because most of the setup is already configured for you. Select the suggested automation to continue. Next, Zapier will ask you to connect your accounts. Start by signing in to your Microsoft To Do account and authorize Zapier to access your tasks and lists. This permission allows Zapier to detect new tasks, updates, and changes inside Microsoft To Do. After that, connect your Notion account. Log in normally and grant Zapier permission to access your workspace. During this process, Notion may ask you to choose which specific workspace, database, or page you want to use for the integration. Once both accounts are connected, you can customize how the automation works. For example, you can choose which Microsoft To Do list should sync with Notion, where tasks should appear, and what information gets transferred. You can map task names, due dates, priorities, descriptions, and statuses directly into your Notion database that gives you a clean and organized task management system that updates automatically. If you want, you can also add filters or conditions later on. For example, you could sync only important tasks or send completed tasks into a separate database for tracking purposes. After reviewing the setup, click the Publish or Turn On button to activate the automation. Zapier will usually run a quick test to make sure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, your integration is officially live. From now on, tasks created or updated in Microsoft To Do can automatically appear inside your Notion workspace without any manual work. This is a huge time saver for students, freelancers, remote workers, and teams who want their productivity apps connected in one streamlined workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials, automation guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.